In this video, I want to show you how to visualize global landslide data in ArcGIS. In the previous video, I've shown you how to download NASA Global Landslide for free and visualize it in QGIS. But one of our audience said we should also demonstrate how to visualize it in ArcGIS. So you can watch the video on how to download this global landslide data for free. But in this video, essentially in response to the question or request of our audience, we want to visualize it in ArcGIS. So let's get started. After downloading it and extracting it from the zip file into a particular folder, let's visualize it in ArcGIS. Let's get started. In ArcGIS, to bring the data, click on Add Data. Then navigate to the folder where you saved the landslide data. So here is it. I'll click to bring the points or events data. When I click on it, I'll click on Add. You can see it has been added. So this landslide data covers the whole world. And here are the points. The points refer to the locations of this landslide as reported. Now, to better appreciate it, we can bring in base map so that you can have idea of the location of each occurrence. So to add a base map, come here, click on Add Base Map. Here are the available base map. So we can choose to add any of these base map. For example, let's add imagery. Click on it and click on Add. Yes, you can see the locations of this landslide. Now, another thing we can do, we can zoom in to the places or locations of occurrence of this landslide. And before that, we can even check the attributes of this landslide. Right click and click on Open Attributes Table. Yes, you can see the attribute. Let me expand it. So I can even maximize the attributes table. Here you can see the name, even the link, and you can see the event ID, the date the landslide occur, and even the time is also here. You can see it. And here you can see the category, whether it is rotational landslide, mudslide, rockfall. You can see the description here. So if I move to this side, you can also see the trigger, that is the cause of the landslide, whether it is downpour, rain, or apparent trigger, or continuous rain. The trigger is also here, and the size is equally here. The number of fatalities, the number of injury is also captured in the attributes table. So let me close the attributes table. So what we can do is that we can zoom in to a particular location. Let me take this and just zoom in here. Yes, if I zoom in, you can see areas that has more of the landslide. Let me zoom to this place. Yes. So another thing we can do is that we can categorize this data. So to categorize it, let's come to here, right click and click on Properties. So come to Symbology, and here instead of single symbol, we are come to Categories, and we want to categorize it using the categories. Click on Add All Value so that it will show us the category of landslide that each locations belong, then click on OK. If I do that, if I zoom out a bit, yes, you can see the landslide, the one that is complex, creep, landslide, mud, river bank collapse, rock fall, rotational fall, earth flow, and so on. You can see the categories each of the locations landslide belongs to. I can increase the symbol and click on OK. Yes. So this is how to visualize the global landslide data in ArcGIS. I hope you like this tutorial. Thank you for watching. Hit the enter key. So this first link, Lhasa landslide, click on it to open the page. And here is the page where you can download the landslide data. And you can read about this page here. However, to download, come to data. When you open data, scroll down a bit. Scroll down and come under data download and reference link. Click on cool R. Then here you can see the download URL. Click to open the download page. When it opens, it brings this interface. You can see the online landslide repository. You can see it here. You can download it as geodatabase, and you can download it as landslide repository report point shapefile format. And also you can download it as CSV, and if I go down, you can see here you can download it as polygon shapefile. So let's download for the point shapefile. Click on this link and it will start downloading. So the points data is downloading. If I close this page, I can download for the polygon data. If I click on it, it will start downloading the landslide in polygon format. So after downloading, let's visualize it in any GIS software. After downloading, here are the file as a zip file. So we need to extract them. So to extract them, just right click and click on extract here. Then the second one, which is also points, right click and extract here. After extracting it, let's visualize it in any GIS software.